Welcome to this explainer. Today, we are breaking down the absolute biggest shift in AI agent architecture we've seen yet, the Model Context Protocol. Let's jump right in. So, start with a massive what if. What if your AI agent had a USB-C port?
Right now, connecting AI to outside tools is, frankly, a total nightmare. Every single app, every database, they all require a brand new, custom connector. It's messy, it's incredibly expensive, and it is totally unsustainable.
Well, that's exactly why Anthropic created the Model Context Protocol, or MCP for short. It's one universal standard. Any tool, any AI, you just plug and play. Think about what it was like before USB-C. Every device you owned needed a totally different cable, right? Well, MCP is that exact same USB-C standardization moment, but for AI software. If you want to understand how this rewires the entire AI ecosystem, follow along for this full MCP series starting from zero. The link to the full course is in the bio.